Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Today we're going to be doing a fun Easter egg, Mickey Mouse style. So get your black markers here. I'm going to start out with the fine tip here. And I'm going to do a big oval right in the middle of the page here. So start in the middle. Draw the Easter egg as best as we can. It's not perfect and that's okay. So on the side of the Easter egg, we're going to draw two big Mickey ears. So let's draw one starting there and one starting there. See how I made the dots? So we'll do a big circle, connect, a big circle to connect. Okay? Once again, they do not have to be perfect, you guys. Just have fun with this. Alright, so this section, we're going to do a kind of this U shape right here, connecting the two sides of the egg. This area is going to be black to represent the Mickey hat. And then we'll do another shape down here. Actually, I'm going to get my red. Let's get our red. Get your red marker. I'm going to get the fine tip point on the red marker and I'm going to draw another U shape to connect from one side to the other. Okay? And I'm going to get the yellow, and this is to represent the feet of Mickey, the big yellow shoes. So get the yellow, and down here we'll do a fine, using our fine point, we'll draw the yellow section. So we're going to color all of these sections in, and then we'll color the grass on the outside. So we can hit fast forward at this point. And here we go. It's our Mickey Easter egg.